May I suggest a recipe for a raw ham and avocado appetizer that combines the freshness and delicate flavor of the avocado with the savoriness of raw ham in a simple yet impressive dish? Ingredients: 100 grams of Parma or San Daniele raw ham, 1 ripe avocado, juice of half a lemon, extra virgin olive oil, salt, if necessary, depending on the saltiness of the ham, freshly ground black pepper, optional, a bunch of arugula or microgreens for garnish, optional. Preparation: thinly slice the raw ham and arrange it artistically on a serving dish. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and peel. Slice the avocado into medium-thick slices. Sprinkle the avocado slices with lemon juice to prevent them from browning. Arrange the avocado slices on the plate with the raw ham alternatively, or however you think may be pleasing to the eye. Season with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and, if you deem it necessary, add a pinch of salt. Finish with a touch of fresh black pepper if you like. Decorate the dish with some arugula leaves or microgreens to add color and a slight contrast in flavors. Curiosity: the avocado is a fruit that originates from Mexico and Central America and is widely appreciated for its multiple nutritional properties, including healthy fats that pair well with the sweetness and richness of raw ham. In this recipe, we have created a meeting between the Italian tradition of quality prosciutto and the exoticism of the avocado for an appetizer that lends itself to special occasions or simply to indulge the palate.